So Yvonne don't know I'm recording her, but we just put $2 in this shit, nigga.
2, 1.
Alright. I don't see anything. Me neither. Oh. Hey, where's it at? 26? Look at it! You got her? Hey!
Don't open the door.
She say, oh my gosh, for you people who can't hear her. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She's moving around. Oh my Yay! How was it? What did it feel like? What did it look? Hey, I know. I'm about to say. What did it feel like?
It just felt like wind blowing at you. Like, it just felt like wind. It felt good though because it was hot as shit out there.
Why are you covering your face though?
Because
We wanted to see that. All right. Was it worth $2?
No. Oh my goodness.
Okay, never again.
I'm sorry.